When I came back from Africa, I told my friends and family this was a life-changing experience, mainly because I felt the love and unique energy of the motherland. I tried to explain the connection my family and I had from the moment we visited Maasai Mara and the Serengeti. We're in Maasai Mara. Pretty excited. I want to see some big cats. Only thing missing now is to see the big cats and a leopard. Being able to witness all of the beauty just provided me with a soulful connection to the land. From the hippos that knew how to make a splash, to the herds that keep Serengeti's dance floor alive, this was a front row seat to the ultimate safari. A safari I never thought I would experience growing up as a kid. Maasai Mara by far was one of my favorite experiences. With the golden savanna stretched out right in front of us, I felt like I had a ticket to the greatest show on earth. A lot of my friends and family couldn't fathom the proximity of the animals, but to me the danger wasn't close to outweighing the impact the experience had on my life. Who would have thought we would travel to the cradle of mankind, where the evolution of man was first documented, or ride through the world's largest inactive but intact volcanic crater, heading to Tanzania. But it's not just the big five that commands your attention here. All of the exotic birds with plumage like rainbows, vultures waiting for their crack at leftovers, cheetahs and lioness guiding their cubs, all play their important role in this powerful story. And don't forget the spotted hyenas. Maasai Mara and the Serengeti are really special places and have some great lodges and camps, like Embark. From hearing lions outside of our tent at night to seeing large prides play with their cubs, these experiences gave me a new appreciation for nature. The large male lions made their presence felt and rightfully commanded all of our respect. I can proudly say after 3 weeks in the bush, we finally saw the elusive leopard in the shadows of an acacia tree eating, checking off the last of the big five. Maasai Mara and the Serengeti were indeed big cat territory, as the Bushmen would say. Being up close to these huge, beautiful cats enabled us to really experience their regal glory. The game drives were a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like and share, and please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications for new content. Explore the world with us. Sky Dweller Views.